Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. Today I am here with a beautiful nature video. Looking at the beauty of the nature is the first step of purifying our mind. Nature's beauty is a gift. Just living is not enough. We must have to look deep into the nature and then we can feel the real beauty of our surroundings. Nature is often seen as something we can escape to when our life is hard. The nature that surrounds us is more meaningful and more valuable than the money. Nature always wears the colors of spirit. We need not look far to find the beauty. Small miracles are all around us. We simply need to go outside and take a look around all of the great creations to which we belong. So, always be close to nature's heart. Hope you all enjoyed this video with us. If you really enjoyed, please like this video, comment your valuable opinions and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a nice day.